6:45 now. If you are trying to stay fit, you may only need a few minutes out of your day. I got a lesson from a full-time mom who has a full-body workout. She says a lot of it is in the arms.
Snowman. Yeah, S as in snowman.
From home lessons,
You got the whole leg cart in here. Is there nothing in there? No.
to playtime. It's all in a day's work for Alicia Yamal. But this busy mom somehow finds a few minutes for fitness, even if it's toothbrush squats. But her real workout, belly dancing.
I can't think of a part of my body that does not get worked out when I dance.
Yamal, a professional belly dancer, says you won't believe how much this keeps you fit.
Most people feel it kind of here in their upper arm and their biceps and their shoulders.
Plus,
So you've got one leg holding you up. You've got your oblique here, your external oblique working to lift your hip. And then, of course, you've got your arms that are posed in some beautiful position the whole time. And so your arms are working the entire time.
for Alicia Yamal, belly dancing serves a dual purpose: fitness and fun.
It's creative, it's sensual. It's a great workout, but it's really fun too, so that makes it all worthwhile. Nice. Weep.
She's amazing. She's been all over the world belly dancing, by the way. And we've uploaded belly dancing class videos from Alicia at abc13.com and the ABC 13 News app as well. She's really great.
So how did you do?
I wasn't great, but she was very patient. And look at that. Isn't she? This is a beautiful dance too. She's great, and I want to take.
You're holding your own.
I think all of us should go to class together,
Like a team bonding activity here.
Yeah,
I'd like to see Tom in that outfit.
Yeah.
I know. Tom loves the bling.
Why
Who
don't
are
we just do
kidding?
pottery?
I like that idea
There
even
you
better.
go.
That's a good one, Tom.
Okay.
We want to see your hips.
You're in
move.
charge.
There you go.
Hey,
I think they want to see your hips move, right?
my hips don't lie. I'm telling you.